Hey, what's up, everyone? So today we got Derek's car all prepped up for paint. Everything's primered, sand, clean, wiped down. We're gonna go ahead and lay some base coat on there. The game plan is to get at least 2 base and 2 clear onto the engine bay. So right now we have the air compressor outside, line coming in. We have 3 fans over there, or 2 fans over there blowing air out. Got most of the stuff covered up inside the garage. So right now all I'm gonna do is just mix up the base and the reducer, I believe. Yeah, so that we got color. I'm not sure where Derek bought this from, but it is a PPG paint color. And then we also got urethane reducer. It's just a 1-to-1 mix. We'll go ahead and get the first base down, see how it lays down, and then adjust things according to how it sprays and whatnot. But yeah, hopefully by the end of the day, we can get 2 base and 2 clears on the car. Alrighty guys, so we got the first base coat down. So far so good. Doesn't seem to be any imperfections or anything. I don't see any type of like eating or chemicals reacting differently, so it's pretty good. I think I need to add just a little bit more on the firewall. But so far so good. Alright guys, so we're gonna let this sit for about 20-30 minutes. We're gonna come out and Scotch Brite the whole thing, smoothing it down just a little bit. Clean it up, tack it up, get it nice and clean, and then we're gonna put a second base coat, and then after that we're gonna go into the clear coat and so forth. Alright guys, so this is second coat of base. Not too bad. Definitely has a little bit of orange peel here and there, but not too bad for a Harbor Freight spray gun and garage paint booth, I guess. I definitely think that it meets the requirements that Derek wants. This is, again, just 2 base. We'll still put 2 clear on top of it. And if we want, we'll wet sand and polish some of the like major areas that show.
All right, guys, we're gonna start doing clear now.
All right, guys, so we got the first layer of clear on here. She is very shiny. Very not bad for the first time spraying a car. Pretty excited. Well, guys, for whatever reason, I wasn't able to record the last coat of clear coat. Like my phone got hot or something and it stopped recording. But I went ahead and this is a few days later. I went ahead and threw some stuff together, got all the tape and everything off of the car. So here's the result. There she is. Freshly painted. I started putting everything back. Got the subframe in. Motor mount on the passenger side is in. All the wiring is back in. Brake lines, fuel lines, all there. Looking really good. We'll have to go through and sand and polish this a little bit if Derek wants to have like a more flat shine to it, I guess. More mirror-like finish, because this is not mirror-like finish, but looks pretty good for what it is, in my opinion. Well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for staying tuned, keeping up with my videos. If you could, please like, share, subscribe, give me that thumbs up, send it through your social media and everything. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get this channel up and moving again. And so I can get you guys more content like this. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or need any advice, feel free to message me. Also, I went ahead and took the cover off of the white hatchback. I'm gonna start getting things prepped up because I did get an email from Wireware, and he will be sending me my harness very soon. So I need to get this prepped up and ready for the engine harness, or for the chassis harness, and I need to order an engine harness as well. But I went ahead, and Derek had innovative mounts. I went ahead and threw that on the passenger side. I just need to get the engine prepped and the clutch, flywheel, transmission, everything there. That way I can get it in the car and make sure that the wire harness starts the engine and everything is functional. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. See you next time.